Number 24. A solid metallic right circular cone 20 cm high and whose vertical angle is 60° is cut into two parts at the middle of its height by a plane parallel to its base. If the frustum so obtained can be drawn into a wire of diameter 1 by 12 cm, find the length of the wire. We have drawn a frustum. We first of all will as given in question, we have to divide this cone into two parts, and we'll divide it by parallelly. We have taken this plane parallelly to the base. Total height is given 20 centimeter, and so we have divided it half. So height of this part is 10 centimeter, and similarly height of this part is 10 centimeter. 60° is the angle given, so on dividing half we will get 30 centimeter as angle, and we have took this distance as x. We took this distance as x. So moving towards the next slide, we have drawn wire from that part, and we took the length of the wire as L, and radius is already and diameter is given in the question, so we'll calculate radius 1 upon 24 centimeter, and ACB, we know that ACB, the cone whose vertical angle is 60°, it's given in question, and R and X. R be the radii of the lower upper end of the radii of the lower end of the frustum, and X be the radii of upper end of the frustum. So height of the cone OC is given 20 centimeter, and height CP, as I told earlier, is 10 centimeter. We have considered P is the midpoint of OC. After cutting the cone into two parts through P, we know that OP length is 10 centimeter. The length, the entire length is 20, and OP is 10 centimeter, half of it. And we know that entire angle is 60°. So half of it, ACO and OCB, is 30°. After cutting cone CQS from cone CBA, the remaining solid obtained is a frustum, from which we have drawn a wire. Now in triangle CPQ, we have used the as we know it has 90-degree angle, so we'll use sine, cos, tan properties. So we took tan 30° equals to x radii upon 10, and we already know that tan 30-degree value is 1 upon root 3. On solving this, we get x value as 10 upon root 3 centimeter. In triangle COB, we again took tan 30°, which is equal to radius of up radius, and divide by CO. Tan 30, again 1 upon root 3. On solving, we get the value of R, capital R, 20 upon root 3 centimeter, and capital R is the radius of lower frustum. So we get R and X, radius of lower and upper frustum. So volume of the frustum is V is equals to 1 by 3 pi R square H minus X square H. So on putting the values of R, H and X and H, we get the value of V. We have simplified the value of V in these steps, and on solving this, we get the volume as 7000 upon 9 pi. The volume of the frustum and the wire formed are equal, because wire is made from the first frustum, so their volume would be equal. We already know the volume of the frustum, in order to calculate the volume of the wire, we know that the wire is in the form of cylindrical, so we'll use pi r square L. R is given, and length we have to find. On equating, we get length as 4480 meter. Hence the length of the wire is 4480 meter. Thank you.